limited. Defunct. Ultra rare.
Hats and caps unboxings. Today we have a collaboration effort. Between the San Francisco Giants of Major League Baseball and the legendary rock band Metallica. That's right, Metallica and the San Francisco Giants teamed up to bring you a banger of a hat. And this is incredibly rare. It is ultra rare. And so let's take a look at what we have today. Unbelievable. And there it is. Metallica. They have their logo within the San Francisco Giants logo, as you can see. And these two have had a few nights, promotional nights, the Giants and Metallica, for a couple of years, and I believe this is part of their merchandise that they were selling at the stadium, I assume. You can't find this anywhere. So there is another New Era hat with Metallica and the Giants, but it's not a fitted, and this is incredibly ultra rare. Let's take a look. Up close shot of the logo. As you can see, the San Francisco insignia, and you have the Metallica. Working with a 7.5, $59.50. The back of the cap is blank. There is nothing on the back. No MLB logo or anything like that. Not even a Metallica type of design, which is interesting. I feel like that's maybe a little bit of a void, but that's the way they went with it. So under the UV, the under visor is black. It has Metallica on there, their traditional script. So I mean, it's a cherry on top right there. This I think this is pretty simple, but I think it's definitely one of those collector's hats. I think it's a pretty badass hat, in my opinion. It's a nice fitted, if you're a Giants fan or not. Let's take a look at the guts. Genuine merchandise of major leagues right there. And this is a 7.5. And that's pretty much that on the guts. So what do you think of this? Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you dislike it? Do you hate it? So as I mentioned, this is just ultra rare, so if you can find one of them and you're a Giants fan, buy it. And if you're a Metallica fan, buy it. If you like this type of content, please subscribe for more videos like this. Everything you see in these videos, there's potential you can buy it. Everything's in the description. Take a look at the links. And that's that. Thank you for watching, and rock on.